TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. on Thursday. Short trading week. Markets close tomorrow for Good Friday. We'll see how the week wraps up. 30 minutes into the trading day, and we have some volatility, which would make sense for a volatile week for sure. Dow Jones positive by 96 points, trading 23,944. S&P's positive by 5, trading at 2610, and the Nasdaq negative by 8, trading at 6940. If we jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Started off with the Dow Jones. So there's your opening bar bell. 9:30, we spike from 23,951 to above 24,000. Short-lived spike because 9:35, the slide begins, and we're already lower from where we opened. We're trading down about almost 100 points from the highs. We're up at 24,018, currently trading 23,928, 90 points below where we reached about 25 minutes ago. Nasdaq 100, even more of a slide. So you did not have that spike that we saw at the open in the Dow. You did have the spike, but not above, where we were pre-market. Just before 8 a.m., we were up at, let's call it 65.40. From there, we're down a solid 80 Nasdaq 100 points, trading at 64.63. S&P 500, pretty similar to the Dow. We spike higher all the way up to almost 26.24. From there, we trade lower by about 14 points down to 26.10, getting a little bit of a bounce up to 26.13. Crude oil with some volatility as well, trading at 64.49 currently. Gold contract struggling this week, some volatility this morning. We're up above 13.30, currently trading 13.2793. You've got Bitcoin struggling as well, below 7,500. Check out that slide from overnight. This is last night at about 7 o'clock. We're trading at 8,000. From there, we're about $500 lower, trading at 74.87. And we have natural gas EIA numbers coming out this morning, 10:30 Eastern time, about a half hour. We'll be live on the air for those. Natural gas trading at 276. In terms of fundamental news you have out there, U.S. weekly jobless claims coming in at 215,000 versus 230,000 expected. And another tough day for Amazon as President Trump tweeting at them, and to see how that is shaping up on the stock, quite a slide. Was up at almost $14.60, down almost $75 to $13.86, down over 3% today. We'll see how they trade. Stay tuned. Coming back here with Tom, we'll have those EIA natural gas numbers. Full day of programming live all day till 5 p.m. Have a great day, everybody. Stay tuned. Thanks.
Would you like exposure to the foreign currency markets without any downside risk to your principal? Then consider the Petro Currencies Market Safe CD from Everbank. This 3-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD leverages the performance of 4 equally weighted currencies from these top oil-producing countries: Brazil, Canada, Mexico, and Russia. This CD features a 200% leverage factor, which means that your potential upside payment will be double the currency's average performance at maturity with no cap if the currencies increase in value over the CD's term. And if the returns are negative, your principal's 100% protected. Returns are based on CD performance with no correlation to the price of oil, and there is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. The April 19th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a division of TIAA FSB, member FDIC.